Hello from the earth, thanks for watching. Be in a good posture and a smile. How do our minds work? They gather information to produce results. Conclusions are formed based on our background and the content we possess. Mathematics helps us to improve our thinking abilities by teaching us algorithms. For instance, when finding the perimeter of a square, we can easily determine the total distance around it. If one side of the square measures 4 centimeters, we can add up all 4 sides to get a total of 16 centimeters. Similarly, if the side measures 5 centimeters, the perimeter would be 20. This pattern continues, so if we take a side length x, the perimeter would be 4 times x. This algorithm allows us efficiently calculate the perimeter of a square. Well, in your thinking process, follow these steps. Begin by clearly defining the problem at hand. Gather all relevant information related to the problem. Identify the key variables that play a significant role in solving the problem. Formulate appropriate equations or models based on gathering information and identified variables. Proceed to solve the equations or apply suitable algorithms to find a solution for the problem, which we will discuss it. Now we require a fresh language to discuss algorithms, formulas, and logic. This language belongs to mathematics. For instance, instead of stating that perimeter of a square is obtained by adding all its sides, we simply say p equals 4x. Now it's your turn to find a formula for a rectangular perimeter, given that the longer side is x and the shorter side is y. Yes, thank you. The formula is p equals x plus y plus x plus y. However, we previously learned how to simplify this expression, so we can write it as p equals 2x plus 2y equals 2 parentheses x plus y. So what's the relevance of these concepts to an equation? Now our goal is to determine the unknown variable in our problems, which often pose a challenge. For instance, let's consider a scenario where we purchased 8 pencils for $70 and receive a refund of $6. How much does each pencil cost? Firstly, let's express this question using mathematical language. 8x equals 70 minus 6. Now let's solve this equation. 8x equals 64 and x equals 8. Improving mathematical abilities such as algorithms and solving equations can indeed be helpful in finding the best formula for different situations in life. Mathematics provides a structured and logical approach to problem solving. We will further discuss this topic in the future with the hope that it proves to be practical and beneficial. Subscribe for mind-blowing insight.